Hey, good morning. My name is Mark Price. I'm a co-founder at NetActuate and oversee our infrastructure. And I'm also a co-creator of our YouTube channel, The Serial Port, where we look at internet history and development and how we got to where we are today. So today we're at All Things Open event in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we put together this retro exhibit so people can interact with how the internet looked and sounded in the 1990s. It's been really fun to see people reliving the old days and younger folks seeing a dial-up modem work for the first time. So we have equipment here that would have been found in various back rooms of 1990s internet providers, and we've got the whole experience working as shown here on this diagram. So we're connected to the internet using an Adtran CSU DSU with a T1 circuit. It's connected to a Cisco 2500 router, which has a 10 megabit Ethernet interface connected to our 10BASE-T hub. And to handle the dial-in calls, we have a digital modem bank. This is a Livingston Portmaster 3. And it's all digital to support the latest generation of dial-up technology known as 56K. And lastly, we have a early Linux Webserver appliance from Cobalt Networks. These were popular in the late 90s and one of the first graphical user interfaces for managing Linux web servers. So to live the experience, we are connecting from a Dell desktop computer. It's a Pentium 2 system running Windows 98. And we can use Windows dial-up networking to dial in with this US Robotics modem. All right, and the connection just established, and we can see we're connected at 44K. So next we can launch Netscape Navigator web browser. And slowly wait for the page to load. And now we can surf the web and see sites just how they looked back in the day. Thanks for checking it out.